Hi friends, today we are going to talk about a use case where you have HTML file in the public folder of your React application and you want to use that HTML in one of your JS scripts inside source folder. To save some time here, I have created a policy.html file with just two tags, HTML body, and inside that we have a heading and we have app policy. Let's save it and see how it looks in the browser. So this is the local host page, but if you will open policy.html, this will look something like this. What I wanted is to show this HTML page in a JSX file inside my application. So how do I do that? Let's go to the first page. We remove everything. We don't need fragment for this. What we do need is an iframe. And trust me, this is the best way that you can show. The other ways that you can do it is that you can copy that text in the JS file, and then it is very lame for me that usually policies are very big, huge chunk of text, and there could be other use case for you. So I decided not to go through that route, but rather use the iframe. And there you just need to set the source, which is your policy HTML. Now in React, you have to access the public folder using a environment variable. And how do you do that? Let's create a template string, process.env dot public URL. This is how you access a public folder in React. And then inside public folder, my file is called policy.html, so I'm just gonna route it there. It needs a title, so sorry about that. Let's say it is policy, or let's call it my app policy. Save it. And let's see how our app looks. This is how it looks right now. You need to set up some styling. You can completely remove this icon. Let's remove this icon. We don't need it and it is creating a lot of noise. So I'm just simply gonna remove this and this text from the app page. Let's set up some styling over here so that the iframe looks nice and clean. We are gonna give it a class name, the content, and let's set up a CSS file. For now, let's just say we add the styling to app.css. Not the cleanest way. In production you'll create a separate CSS file for first page, but for now let's just say content has a background color of white, and the text color that we want is black. Okay, and what else you can do is set the width and height for your iframe. So let's say we say width is 500 and height is also 500. So you see, this is your policy page. Let's fix some styling and make it better. We will remove width and height from here. You can even create a class name, a styling for iframe. Let's give it a name, frame for now, and we are going to define it in the CSS file, which is this. So let's just first set the width and height of the outer div tag. I'm gonna give it a width which covers the entire screen, so 100%, and the height also 100%. For iframe, I'm gonna set the width to the same like before, but let's call it 50%, and height also 100%. All right, I would like to rename the class name for iframe. Refresh the browser and it should look something like this. You can even modify the styling according to your choices. Add the scroll, add more text, it will automatically scroll. You know the drill. Basically, you know how to render HTML from public folder to your React. Thanks for watching and like and subscribe for more.